What is up, makers? My name's Jack Daly and welcome to another episode. In this video we're going to be looking at the creative category on the 200 plus pre-installed games that come on your 8BitCADE. So if I go turn it on and go to the creative category, now I'm looking at the creative because we've looked at some of the action games, some of the classic games, but we haven't really looked at how you can be creative with the 8BitCADE. So you can see we have about 4 or 5 different games, and today the one that we're going to be looking at is the Sprite and Music Composer. Now if I go load that up, so if I click play on tape, so here you can see we have the Coder's Toolbox, so we have music and we have art, so you can actually make your own sprites, or my favourite game on this one is the Music Composer, in which you can actually make and compose your own 8-bit music on the Excel. So let's see what I can do. So we go ahead and click A. You can see I've made my own note, and then I can use the direction keys to control how that note goes. So I can go up to produce a note that is on the next level. I can go down, and you can see I can do this really quick, and as I'm clicking it, if I go up one more, you can see it's actually playing the sound, so we can get a feel for kind of what it's going to sound like. Now if I want to go back and edit things, I can go on the left button here and I can move it up. I can hold down A, and what that would do is it will allow me to edit and move the note up. So maybe I want to, do a little do-do-do, and then maybe go high. So you can see as I'm going through and I'm editing it, we can even do longer notes by holding it down. So that will create a little long boop. However, here you can see it's got a line through it. Now what the line actually means is that it's a rest. So if I go hold down A again, you can see, hold down A, that is now filled, which means it's not a rest note. So here you can see we're making a couple of rest notes, and then we'll go back and we'll create a tune. So now I've made my little mini tune, so I can look, it says hold B for menu. So if I hold down B, it brings up the toolbox in which you have a little bit of settings. So to include a rest, it just sort of explains some instructions, go through, and it talks about the controls, which I just covered, and then you can edit the tempo and range, so you can really get in depth with the music side. But if you just want to play it, you can just go play it. Now what do you think of that? Oh, now that isn't bad. That's how you can get creative on the 8BitCADE Excel. You can actually save it to EEPROM, so if I click save, I can now load and clear EEPROM. So if I turn this off and then turn it back on, go back to creative, because I want to play my new favorite song, which is one I made. Load that up, click play, and then I want to go to the Music Composer, and I want to hold down B. Currently we have nothing. However, if I go load from EEPROM, you can see it's loaded up my song. Brilliant, that's my favorite song. So turn that off, and there you go. That's how you can get creative on the 8BitCADE Excel. Thank you for watching, and keep in mind you can back the 8BitCADE Excel and get yourself an 8BitCADE on Kickstarter.